Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this smoky, it's kind of soft smoky eye, perfect for day. We're going to start with the primer. This is the eyeshadow primer potion by Urban Decay. And I'm just going to put it all over my lids. I'm going to be using the Ladybird palette, but Kat Von D, and a sun eye brush, just a blending brush, and I'm using this color that it's kind of similar to my skin tone, and this is just going to help me blend the other eyeshadows better. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this color that is a little bit darker than the one that I put on my crease. I am only going to put this on my lid. Blend. Always blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to be using this darker brown, and I'm only going to keep it very close to my eyelashes. And then I'm going to blend everything together again, so you don't see where one color starts and one ends. I'm going to be using this the mid brown color all over my bottom lid. I never bring it to the inner corner though, just like 3/4 of the way. I'm going to use this sun eye brush, the 108. It's an angle fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the darker brown that we used. I'm going to put this also in 3/4 of the way. Blend where it's necessary. Now I'm going to use this orangey tone color and just put it on my crease. It just adds more warmth to the whole look. Next, I'm going to use a pencil brush. This is by Sigma E30, and I'm going to do the same thing on my bottom eyelid to smoke it out. I'm going to use the brown pencil that came with my palette, and it's called Immortal Love. It's brown. And I'm going to put this on my waterline, on my bottom waterline. Next, I'm going to use my Milani True Black eyeliner, my favorite eyeliner, and I'm going to line my upper lash, and I'm not going to be perfect with this because I'm going to smudge it out anyway. Oh, and I'm also going to put it on my top waterline. I'm going to be using my Naked 3 palette just for this just to use this color on my brow bone. It's like a nice satin finish color. It's strange, and that's the name of it. It's like a bone tone. And I'm using this one from the Naked One palette on my tear dark, just to highlight, and whatever's in the brush, I'm just going to highlight a little bit up on the brow bone again. Now I'm going to be using this eyeliner brush from Eco Tools. It's an angle brush, and I'm going to smudge out the black pencil. Now girls, you don't have to be using exactly the same colors that I'm using. You work with what you have and it will come out pretty. I do recommend doing it with matte colors though. Now girls, please let me know if you want me to make more tutorials using drugstore makeup, and also if you want me to tell you which brushes are better that are also very affordable. Let me know if you want me to make a video about brushes and least expensive makeup as well, okay? Now I'm gonna move on to mascara and curling my eyelashes. I love this mascara, I really recommend it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to curl your eyelashes, because I see a lot of girls out there with an L shape on their lashes, and it just looks very unnatural. I start by the base of my lashes and curl with more pressure there, and then work outwards, curling it with less pressure so it can create this curl effect, round curl effect, and more natural as well. And if they're too curly, I do this. I just, flatten a little with my fingers. Here I'm going to repeat it on the other eye, and it's just on the base, and then out, 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 and whatever you think it's necessary, just keep pressing, just with a little bit of pressure, not too much, and it creates these nice round effects. See? I hope this helps you out. And here's the finished look. I hope you like it. It's soft and wearable for day. So yes, I hope you like it. See you later. Please subscribe and also comment any petitions, anything that you want me to do. Please let me know and I'll do it with all my pleasure. See you later, girls. Bye bye. Oh, and guys. Bye.